We have the world's smallest camcorder. Let's see what it is. Here's the box, and then these are the specifications. Tell all the details you want to know. As you can see, you can use 32 GB micro SD card. That's the maximum. You have AVI recording format. Then also you can use it as a PC camera for chatting functions. Of course, you have image capturing function and voice recorder. Pretty cool for a small price. Let's see what is inside the box. Wow, here it is, the camera. Very small one. As you can turn now the box, you have the USB cable, then user guide, all the details you want to operate this camera in both Chinese and also in English language. Okay, let's see about the camera. As you can see, blur here. As you can see, this is the front side of the camera. Around the keychain you see a small light. That's the indicator that's telling what's the status in the camera every time. And those two button in the far corner, it is used as power button as well as operation button, which means other than switching on off, it is used to record, capture and all those operations. Then the middle button, it is used to switch between different modes. As I told you earlier, there are three different modes: photographic mode, video mode, and voice recorder mode. That is the lens. Then you can see the USB charging cable slot, which is a dual purpose one, both used to charge the cam and also transfer data to the PC. And here you can see the micro SD card slot. Just you have to pop one in, maximum up to 32 GB. Okay, to turn on, you have to press the power button and hold, and the light turns blue, then turns red, which means now camera is operable. And the red color means it is in video mode. Now if you press this button again, it will start to record and the red light start to blink, which means it's recording. Now if you press the button again, it will stop. Likewise, you can record video. Now let's switch to a different mode using the mode button. We press the mode button once, it turns the light to blue, which means it is in image recording or you can say photographic mode. You press it once, capture a photo, then press it again, repeat, capture another photo. Like that, you can capture photos also. Then let's switch onto the next mode, voice recording mode. You press the mode button again, then it will turn to red and blue, and once you press the power button one time, it will start to record the voice. As you can see, the red and blue light start to blink, and like other operations, if you press power button again, it will stop. Likewise, you can record photos, videos and voices. Then of course, how to turn off. You have to press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds, then the indicator turns off, which means the camera is turned off. So this comes with the video of AVI format. Resolution is somewhat, let's check. Resolution is somewhat 1280 multiplied by 960 or 720 or 480 at 30 fps rate. Support camera resolution is 1280 multiplied by 1024. Likewise, these are specifications. This camera original price was Sri Lankan rupees about 2300. Original price was give or take couple of hundred from 4500. Discounted price 2300, something like that. Very cool price. It's the world's smallest digital camcorder made in China. So far so good. This is my review about that camera. Hope you like it. If you are searching for a cool small mini cam with 3 different main functions: photo recording, voice recording, and video recording. That's it, guys. Let's meet up with another video.